Today I'm going to be doing my version of the Teremana Fresh Apple Orchard Manarita. As we all know, we're going to be using this fantastic tequila brought to us by Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson in this drink. Now, as I said, this is their recipe, but I'm going to tweak it a little bit and just add my own kind of spin on it by caramelizing some apple slices in this. So I'm just going to slice some, I'll take some sliced apple and I'll throw that in there. I'm just going to put a little splash of the tequila on just to start the ball rolling, as it were, and then I'm going to add in just a bar spoon of brown sugar over the top. Okay, so that'll get us going. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my little chef's blowtorch here, and I'm going to light that, and I'm going to start caramelizing these apples. Obviously this is going to take a little while, so talk amongst yourselves. Maybe you've got something else to do, it's the end of the week after all, catch up with loved ones and friends and family. Whilst I'm caramelizing these. The aroma from this is absolutely fantastic, actually, which of course leads me to the most obvious question, Rock. Can you smell what I'm cooking? Probably not, to be honest. I mean, this is a straight video, it's not a 4D experience, so unless you happen to be at home caramelizing apples at the same time, which would be a pretty major coincidence, it's unlikely you're going to get that aroma. But believe me, it's fantastic. We're getting the smell of the tequila off that as well as the sugar and the apple. So I'm going to put those into our shaker. And then I'm going to add in the other ingredients. So more tequila. We're going to put 60 mils or 2 fluid ounces, as they say over here in America, into our shaker. Just one more. There we go. Obviously, this is based on a margarita, so we're going to have lime juice in there, and that's going to be 20 mils of freshly squeezed lime juice. So I'm throwing that in my shaker 2, there we go. I'm going to add in a little bit of sweetness with agave nectar, and that's going to be just 15 mils to balance that out. And then obviously we've got the apple in there, the fresh apple, but we're also going to supplement that with 30 mils or an ounce of freshly pressed apple juice as well. Now, you can give this a bit of a crush if you want with the muddler, just to give this a press into there, or to be honest, when you throw the ice in and start throwing it around, it's going to have the same effect. But I'll just give that a little crush, a little muddle there, before we add in the ice. So, in goes the ice. We'll also need some ice in our glass as well to pour that cocktail into. And then we're going to give this a little bit of a shake. All right, there we go. So, top on, shake away. Okay, sounding good. Smells great. We're just going to strain that over our ice into our glass. Just like that. Some lovely rich colour in there as well. There we go. Beautiful. And then we're just going to add in a fresh apple slice and a cinnamon stick. And there you go. There you have my take on the Teremana Fresh Apple Orchard Manarita. So cheers to you all. Enjoy your weekend. Cheers to you, Rock. Thank you for bringing us this wonderful tequila. And I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Cheers.